If you're upgrading your PC but your power supply doesn't have the right PCIe connector, the StarTech SATA to 6-pin PCI Express Power Adapter offers a simple solution. This cable converts two 15-pin SATA power connectors into a single 6-pin PCIe power plug, letting you power your video card without hassle. What makes this adapter stand out is its compatibility and convenience. At 6 inches long, it provides enough length to fit comfortably inside most cases, giving you the flexibility to manage cables neatly. The gold-plated SATA connectors ensure a stable and corrosion-resistant connection, reducing the chance of power interruptions. Inside the box, you get one 6-inch cable featuring a 6-pin PCIe male connector on one end and two 15-pin SATA male connectors on the other. This design is ideal for setups where your power supply lacks dedicated PCIe connectors but has multiple SATA power outputs available. Many users in the United States have praised this cable for its reliability, especially in non-modular or older power supply units. It handles power delivery smoothly without overheating, even under moderate load. If you're working with a custom or proprietary rig, this adapter lets you power basic graphics cards or sound cards without needing a full PSU upgrade. While the cable performs well, some users suggest using zip ties to tidy up the appearance if you care about cable management. This small step can make your build look cleaner without compromising functionality. Choosing genuine StarTech packaging ensures you receive an authentic product built to last. This adapter is a practical, cost-effective way to extend the life of your current power supply and get your video card up and running quickly. If you're facing unusual power needs or working with an older system, this SATA to PCIe adapter is worth a look. It's a straightforward, dependable tool that bridges the gap between legacy power supplies and modern video cards. Try the StarTech SATA to 6-pin PCIe power adapter when you're ready to simplify your build and avoid costly power supply replacements. It's a smart, flexible solution that keeps your system powered and performing.